again. So now we are going to take our journey and begin to fly through the cell. So outside of the cell is the extracellular space, or what's called the interstitial fluid, is where we are to begin with. And this would be an area outside of the cell where nutrients like glucose and just sugar and oxygen and carbon dioxide may be moving around as it goes from the bloodstream to the cell and from the cell to the bloodstream. So here we are looking at the outside of the cell. And what we see are the city limits of the cell. The city limits, also kind of the security system where you would need to show your passport to get in. This is called the cell membrane. And it doesn't have one layer, it has two. It's a double layer membrane. And I will give more details later, but I like to think of it as sort of like a fence, in that some things can pass through easily, some things have special gates that they could go through, and some things never can get through at all, or they require even special pumps or special escorts to get them through. So the cell membrane provides security for the cell and provides a border with which things can be contained. So as we approach Cellville, where you see the slogan, Cellville, this place is for homeostasis. We approach the city limits of the cell and we finally are allowed into the cell. Thankfully, we have our special passport. And as we get into the cell, we notice this beautiful environment around us. And there's a clear liquid with dissolved chemicals in it. But think of this as the atmosphere, the environment.